sniper man ni mama ba. Subong adlaw nito Edwin sa lubong.
I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a billion different reasons, you took the best of my heart, left the rest in peace.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So right. I know one word will make me go rising back to where you were. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, but little darling, watch me change their minds. Yeah, but you, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. And pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make you right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Oh, don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make
Liverpool sa tanan. Pagkalisiwan, hindi sultis. Lata ko ni Edwin Sultis. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa tanan-tanan nga nagkantok na pulgan ni Samon. Ano matigayon kang pagtawa yung makati, Papa. Papa, hindi mo pinamagati niya pa. Thank you sa tanan-tanan, sa Sultis family, Marcinilia, and Tita Sexy Babes, tanan-tanan ng Pangaya family. Kunin din.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Wendy. Basi may ara pa gusto mag-message sa family. sir, who want to say something? Before we're going to have our photo op, isa man sa mga musikero sa Iloilo, Sir Boyan, si Sir PJ, sa namon sa entertainment, we're going to have a live song, rather his song to all. Yes, Sir Boyan Nanay Aritiri, para magkanta para sa iyang abyan. Sir Boyan, please.
Kagabi, isang nagpauli na ko halin sa tribute kay abyan natin Edwin. Tinawag si Chito, tapos ang balsa na, pre, why kagit niya nakanta to sa tribute daw. Sabi ko, ay, why ko kabalo sa flow sa program. Sabi ko, pero sabi niya palang grabe na pag-appreciate ni Edwin sa aton ng mga ambahan mo ng Ilonggo. So, do na ano kitang pamatyago blasilin ko kinunlan bisan sa mga ulihin ng mga tilion na maupod si Edwin mahatag ko bisan sa kaambahan no kay I hope nga malipay gini siya sa sininga ambahan no ihatag. Ang title gini sini Sunda ang imo balangaw. Gin-compose ko siya 2 years ago para man sa isa ka abyan nga nagtaliwan. So gusto ko na i-share sa kay Bigo Edwin. Ang aton kabuhi katulad sang dalanon sa kasisid mon di makitaan diin ang padulong sa tanan maginsangan isuga ang balatyagon sa pagpadayon. Sunda ang imo balangaw, tugtog ini magatinaw, at agisang kapuhi mga damgo naton. Usuyon ang banas nga may pagkapagon, malipay sa dapat ikalipay, kasubo sa dapat igakasubo, isipa nga umalagi ining kabuhi, dapat tipigan na puno sang katahong. Sunda ang imo mga handong nga may bukos nga paglaom, at agisang kabuhi tuyo nga kadalagan. Suyon ang banas sang kaayuhan, malipay sa dapat ikalipay, kasubo sa dapat igakasubo, isipa nga umalagi inyong kabuhi. Usuyon ang banas sang kaayuhan, usuyon ang banas sa kahimayaan. Para ni Simo Abyan Edwin, salamat kayo.
Thank you so much, Sir PJ or Sir Boyan Satanan. At this time, we're going to have the photo op. So we're going to have first the immediate members of the family. Please, can you stand near the casket of our beloved Edwin? And to be followed by the kung ano yung mga atsura. Si mother ni Sir Edwin. So maunaan ay si mother, I think. And then, ang family. Pwede ta mabutangan si mother sa pulungkuan. We request the Chura family to kindly have your photo op. I think, cameraman, you have got those pics. Okay. Papupunta lang anay si ma'am. We request the Chura, the brothers and sisters or the siblings of Sir Edwin to kindly have your mauna na yung mga utod, the soltes. Ang mga soltes, we're going to join by the Bayaws and Kainang Lusan for one big shots.
Someone who walks like you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out.
sa tanan yung kabayawan kag kahinaplusan ni Sir Edwin to join with your family, the Soltes family.
Cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come and he said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, I'll do what time of carrying heavy load. Lord, I yoke will be as easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Thousand seasons to go on my ship and winter, to golden back and spring, to welcome life again, to welcome you. So goes my life, still believe the peace of having you around. Tonight,
Okay. Gata lang hangin, no? Kindly face the cameraman, Ma'am Sir. And kindly prepare the Soltes family or relatives of Soltes, Tagalpas. Can you have your photo of Ma'am Sir?
so let the pain remain forever in my heart. For every thought it brings is one more moment spent with you. I let the pain bring on the rain.
Prepare na nga mga Soltes, no? We are request Sir PJ and Ma'am 68 to kindly have your photo up with our beloved Edwin.
For every thought it brings is one more moment spent with you. I let the pain bring on the rain. If that's the only way, if there's no other way to be with you again.
Relatives from Soltes, kindly have your photo op, ma'am, sir. Soltes nga mga Tagalabas, ari dire, kindly have your photo op, and mga friends sa Zamora after the Soltes from Labas. Thank you so much, sir, and we are request the Soltes family or relatives from Soltes in La Paz. Wala? Mga kapamilya? Okay? Okay. While they are preparing, those from Zamora City proper, can you come forward for the photo op?
Really care for music to you. Ginapaan yung tanan ng mga friends sa Zamora, family ni Sir Edwin, friends sa Zamora, neighbors and friends. to light the
With respect to the memory of our beloved Edwin Achura Soltes, we're going to have the final viewing. And for those who wanted to pay your last respect, kindly make one line at a side. And we're going to start from the immediate members of the family and to be followed by the relatives and friends. We request the immediate members of the family to kindly give first your final respect to our beloved Edwin.
I took the suit where my flowers from the window sill to the day on tea from the cup. Popped out the boulder wobble that you have made. Memories of a life that's been low. Took the girls and girls and stuff animals. Calling all to be about the same. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But don't steal every time that I think. Oh, what the pieces is tearing me up. I don't know, I'll get it wrong. 'Cause our heart has been loved. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel and the shape of my heart. When I fall down, you'll be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, I'll say hallelujah, you're home. I blocked the bills, let the band start the cheers on. Only the night I was leading the other case. Just as it right, they put this hand on my cheek and wipe a tear on the side of my face. I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life without is a life that's been lived. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel and the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, they'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. To dance with my father. Every night I fall
Tubig. Ano yung tubig? Ara na. Tama niya. Kaya mga sa tubig. Ano?
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? The right place at the right time. Two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to meld our lives to make us pure and fine, then know wherever you would be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried, the most stupid things, like we were so high. But love was all that we were on. We belong. And though the world won't ever understand the sunlight reunion and why it still stands, someday we will be set free. Break
bisita ni Samon ito. Hi. Edwin kasi ang bisita ni Samon pala. Bye. Nakabakod ah. Anong ka mo? Bye.